Here we go with the new Shalimar Jasmin Guerlain, a recent addition and my first impression. Oh God, look at that color. Look at that color. Wow, breathless. I'm speechless. Wow, limited Millesime Shalimar edition of Shalimar Jasmin 2024 release. Oh, it's hard to open. Now first initial spray on my hand. Yeah, 2 sprays. And on the close. Beautiful. A beautiful touch of really classy jasmine. Very airy green, realistic jasmine. Really the high standard, no nauseatic issues here. I'm not the fan of jasmine at all. I like jasmine from the nature, but the synthetic jasmine in the perfumes is headachy to me. So this is the realistic quality of timelessness. What stays in the dry down? It's a beautiful contemporary Millesime type of kind of quality of at the same level of L'Art et Matière, typical suede Guerlain vanilla. The quality of the L'Art et Matière is what it stays as a dry down here, very present, very prominent, not screaming, not screeching, very rounded, warm, wearable, contemporary, no animalic wildness here like in the old EDP or EDT, which I adore, an EDP, which you can compare to Le Lion, but still the Shalimar is original. But here Millesime is, if you prefer vanilla, go with Vanilla Planifolia. Millesime, if you prefer tonka, you get tonka. But here the jasmine completely disappears, and what stays here is the suede contemporary vanilla that is present in Millesime. These two ones are not. When you compare the dry down of the new Shalimar L'Essence, this is more kinda designery, more sweet, a bit more modern, and this still holds that Shalimar timeless DNA with more. This is a more high standard, I think. And look at the color. Wow. So thank you for watching. I'm curious how you like Shalimars, why you like Shalimar, no matter what type of Shalimar, if EDT, EDP, Shalimar L'Essence, Millesime, Shalimars. And I'm so glad that I got these 3 in my collection. So until then, bye for now.